If you are a separated or divorced parent, there are several ways for you to get ready and prepare for the holidays. This next legal expert segment has been sponsored by the Haefner Law Office. And joining me today is family law attorney Mark Haefner. Mark, welcome back to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. And this is important, especially as we head into the holidays. I mean, what should parents that are living in different homes know about the holiday season?
Well, one thing is there's going to be a lot of transition, especially if this is your first holiday and if you have kids. You got to make sure that you're planning ahead and thinking about it a little bit more. And one of the things is to always make sure that, remember, the holidays are generally about the kids. So try and make sure that they can participate in as many family traditions as possible. So, you know, if dad's family traditionally does Christmas Eve and mom's family traditionally does Christmas Day, let them participate in both. And when you create a parenting plan, you can work off that and try and make sure that they're there for everything. You know, as far as exchange times, try and honor that as well, because a lot of times families are adjusting everything to the new normal, which is going to be a change in schedule. So you showing up an hour late for an exchange could really throw things off and really kind of ruin the holiday, not just for your ex, but for your kids.
Absolutely. And we really want to put the kids first, especially like you said, this is the first holiday season that you're going through, separated or divorced. It really is important that you do something positive. Like you said, creating your own traditions. Do you have any advice for parents who might be spending their first holiday season away from their kids?
Well, one thing that I'd probably say is kind of create your own tradition. Create your own thing that's for you. You don't want to sit around the house and be sad all day that it's, you know, the first holiday you're spending without your kids. You know, one of the things I always like to do and recommend my clients, write down what you want your next year to look like. You know, journal, spend that day doing something. If you have a hobby that you enjoy that you can do on that day, go do it. If not, maybe go try something new. If you are going to be needing a place, there's a lot of great restaurants around that are open that you can go to, and just do something for you as well. But yeah, I would probably say don't dwell too much on the past, because things are changing, and think about how you want it to look in the future.
I like that.
And what you can do that's going to be best for you. And I'm a big fan of outlining your goals and having them all written down. So I always say, yeah, take that time that you have, probably the first quiet time you've had in a while, and work on what you want and how you want things to end up.
Absolutely. That self-reflection is so key. And I like that. You know, parents are parents still at the end of the day. That's not their only title. I mean, you were Mark before you became a parent. I'm still Chelsea before you became a parent. Is there anything else that parents should know, whether it's reflecting or taking time for you, or just, you know?
One thing I'd recommend, especially if this is your first holiday apart, is getting with the other parent. If you guys are going to be talking about, you know, Christmas presents, things like that, try not to get duplicate presents unless it's one of the things that you should have duplicate presents for. One of the things would be like an echo show or something along those lines. Talk to the other parent if you're going to get them a cell phone. Don't have it sprung on them. You know, there are ways. My son plays, for example, on Xbox with his friends. And I know I have a lot of clients that play with their kids, even when they're over at the other parent's house, play video games with them. So that's something to look into and consider. But one thing you want to do is just try and make sure that you guys are communicating and getting on the same page with it. And, you know, if you've been talking about a cell phone, now might be the right time, but make sure you get the other parent on the same page. And the main thing that I always tell parents, when you get your child a present, it's for the child. Don't say this is here, but it's only for my house. You can't take, you know, this baseball bat or glove or whatever over to mom's house or dad's house. Make sure that whatever you're doing, you're good with it going back and forth, because we don't want to have the kids have very big restrictions on things, and it's just not fair to them. Absolutely.
And communication is key. And like you said, always putting the kids first. That's what matters. St. Louis, if you have any more questions about how you can stay in tune and in the know with what's going on with the Haefner Law Office, you absolutely can. Mark actually wrote a book. It's called Exit Strategy, Understanding and Handling Your Missouri Divorce. There's also so many amazing free resources on his website, and all you have to do is head online to their website. It is flatratedivorces.com. You can also pick up the phone to give them a call, 314-200-6101. That number one more time is 314-200-6101.